I want to welcome you back to another video, and if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I also go by Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. I make a lot of helpful Maschine tutorials as well as other audio-related content, but today we're back working with the Maschine Plus as well as working inside of Maschine 3. What I want to do is break down a beat that I made using only 3 sounds, so if you haven't already, do me a favor. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Without further delay, let me show you how I made this beat using Maschine 3. Typically when I start a beat, what I'll be inside of Ideas view, and then what I'll have is my intro, my verse, and my hook, and I'll have the different patterns here. So as you can see, when I change it, I have the different patterns available. So I have verse, hook, the hook 2, intro. And then when I arranged it, so I come into Arranger view and you'll see I'm only using the clips. And to do that, all you have to do is just right click right here and you can do insert as clips. You can choose whatever sort of pattern that you want there. So this is what I pretty much did. Let me play it right now so you can kind of hear what it sounds like all together. And then I'll go over some of the plugins that I'm using. So that is pretty much the whole beat, just the kind of swag type of sounds. And let me go ahead and break it down. So the most important thing is this 808. So we're going to start with there. I'm using a few plugins here. As you can see, one's Driver, another one is Byte. So let's go one by one. I'm going to switch over to my mixer window just so I can have a better view of what's going on. So again, I'm using Driver and I'm using this 808 here. If I take out Driver, it's going to be kind of low. So let me take it out. You may want to crank up your volume just a little bit. So the first thing I did was I pretty much gain staged this here. And if you're not familiar with how to gain stage inside a Maschine, it's very important that you do this to your 808s. Otherwise, you're going to get a horrible sound. And I'll have a link to the video below if you want to watch that video, or you can just simply buy my course. Again, the link is going to be in the description below. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is definitely gain stage your 808s and all the rest of your sounds. So here I have Driver after I gain staged it, which basically is bringing up the level. So I came up with this pattern. And that's really what's driving the beat. So with Driver, what I did was came in here and cranked up the input, cranked up the output, adjusted the color, adjusted these knobs right here, and came up with this sound here. The next thing I did was add some compression just to kind of control some of the peaks that was going on, just a standard compressor inside of the Maschine 3. So again, if I take it off, just kind of controlling those peaks. The next thing I did was add a plugin called Byte. And if you watched some of my previous tutorials, you know this is one of my favorite plugins to add saturation. Just come in here and crank up the saturation. Got the high pass at the 5. Not really adjusting anything over here today. And let me go ahead and play the difference for you. So this is before, after. So it just adds a little bit of kind of oomph to it. As you can see right here, the next plugin is Neutron 5, and this is just an EQ. And what I did was I was actually using this to experiment with. So if I come in here and click a point, if I hold down Option, what I can do is hear what I'm adjusting. So let's go ahead and give that a try. So I can pretty much listen to like the resonant sounds in my 808 and I can remove those. And you can also use this here to widen the cue or lower it. You hold down Shift, move it up or down. So really awesome plugin, really comes in handy when you want to focus in on a frequency and you just want to remove it. So that's pretty much what I'm doing with this 808 here. So if I play it, So what I'll do is remove all these plugins and let you listen to what it sounds like before, and then we'll put them back in to let you hear what it sounds like after. So again, very low for the gain staging because I wanted to give the sound to driver, and that's doing the bulk of the work. So again, before and then after. All right, so the next thing I did was I used Neutron for this snare here. And as you can see, all I'm really doing is just kind of rolling off that low end and just dipping a little bit around, what's that, 3985, just a dB. And we'll go to where you can hear that at. We'll solo the snare. Oops. So really not doing too much besides moving that low end. Just moving that low end out the way. And then last but not least, we have our hat 1 and open up Neutron 5 again. This is the EQ, and all I'm really doing is just giving a little boost on the top end. So you can see the numbers there. And so just a little bit. So if I put all this together, you have the whole beat, and I'll go ahead and play it from this hook here. So real simple beat. And then I don't know if I mentioned this already, but I'm using this sort of clips right here to mute the other drums and stuff like that. So if I have it playing, you see where clip 2 it says it pretty much mutes the drums. So I got clip 1, clip 2, clip 3, all used as mutes. So very simple. Last but not least, I have the master track, and I'm adding a little bit more distortion. And this all comes from the internal plugins from Maschine, and I'm using a limiter. And I just love using this limiter inside of Maschine. Really light settings here, not doing too much. And that's pretty much the whole track. So again, if I come over here and I will play without the master plugins on. See how it just kind of falls flat, but if I compress it, add a distortion and limiter, it sort of gives it some life. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. Your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status. We will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.